Guys, let's see what we are to expect for the day on gold. Today's video is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social is a community where traders of all experience levels, both beginners and experienced traders, come to share their market insights, market updates, and also market strategy. You can be part of this community by visiting investsocial.com. Also, guys, this community is not only for traders, it is also for developers and also analysts. So you can be part of this to learn more and also stay connected. Starting with this trend, gold clearly is an uptrend move. It is massively in an uptrend move. This is very much bullish. So for the past 4 hours straight, it has been closing bullish. Now let's zoom it in a bit right here. So gold was able to open and close bullish right here. You can see it on the 4th. It's opened and closed bullish. This is on the 5th. Markets opened and closed bullish, and we are on the 6th, and market has started the movement bullish. We are to expect it to continue it to go bullish. So we are to expect market to hit the level of 4,289. Should be our level. That is the level we should expect gold to hit, which is the level of 4,289. Should be our next level on gold. Gold should push up to hit that level. Now, guys, let's drag down to our forward time frame. It has been rallying and it has been giving us a massive bullish move right here. Now, guys, let's drop down to our 1 hour time frame. This is our high and this is the low. This is here is also the high, new high, and here comes the pullback, which is our higher low. This is our new higher high, and here comes the pullback, which is the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. You can see it formed a new higher high that took out this previous high. You can see it formed a new higher high that took out this previous high, and here is the higher low. So the higher low is currently playing. So once the higher low plays out finish, we are to expect market to push up one more time to form a complete new high that will completely take out this previous high. So we are still to anticipate for a bullish move right on our gold. Could there be changes to this prediction? Yes, there could be. But if there will be any changes, of course, I know I'm going to do the updates and let you guys to know. So if you do not want to miss out on updates, what you can do is visit investsocial.com to stay connected, to also share your own idea and also strategy. See you in the next video, guys.